Today discuss the carbon and its compounds based on ICSE class 8. At first discuss the carbon and its compound in summary. Carbon exists both in the free state and in the combined state in a nature. Graphite, diamond and coal are the free form of carbon. In the combined form, carbon exists as numerous carbon such as carbon dioxide, cellulose, carbohydrates, protein, fat, petroleum, and natural gas. Carbon exists in two allotropic forms, that is, crystalline and amorphous. Carbon atoms are arranged in the definite repeating order in the crystalline form of carbon. In amorphous form, carbon atoms are not arranged in any definite order. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth. Naturally, diamonds are produced from carbon under high pressure and high temperature deep below the Earth's surface. Fluorines in the crystalline form of carbon containing a large number of carbon atoms arranged in the form of heterogonal or pentagonal ring. That is, the total number of carbon present in the fluorines number of carbon, that is 16. Charcoal is prepared in the absence of air or oxygen at high temperature by heating the substance like wood, bone, and sugar. Carbon dioxide is obtained when marble chips react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Carbon monoxide is a good reducing agent. Okay. Write T for true and F for false. Carbon exists only in the combined state in nature. False. Sulfur exhibits allotropy. True. Diamond used in manufacture of high precious thermometer. True. The structure of black minister fluorines appears to be in the form of a suture ball. True. Graphite is used as a semiconductor. That is false. Carbohydrates are combined form of carbon. True. Carbon exists in two allotropic form. True. Coke is also called as carbon black. False. Graphite is a poor conductor of electricity. False. Carbon monoxide prevents the blood from carrying oxygen in the body. True. Wood charcoal can float on water. True. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth. True. In amorphous form, carbon atoms are arranged in any definite order. False. Next item, fill in the blanks. Carbon dioxide has a sour taste because of its dash nature, acidic. Carbon monoxide is a dash oxide, natural oxide. Carbon monoxide is a dash gas, toxic gas. Okay, asphyxia is a medical condition in which body does not get enough carbon monoxide. Due to this property of carbon monoxide, it is used extensively used in the extrusion process of iron in reducing. The hardest known naturally occurring the substance on earth is diamond. Charcoal is dash form of carbon and amorphous. The substance used in the preparation of printer ink is lamp black. Dash is good absorbent charcoal. Dash is purest form of the amorphous carbon sugar charcoal. Dash gas dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, carbon dioxide. Next item, choose the correct answer for each of the following. Identify the substance in which carbon exists in the free state graphite. Identify the amorphous form of carbon lamp black. Identify of the substance that is widely used as electrodes in batteries graphite. Identify the substance that is used to cut glass diamond. Identify the naturally formed amorphous form of carbon from the following, that is coal. Which of the following is not property of the fluorines? They are soluble in water, other is not. Wood charcoal is used in purification of water, others is not. Okay. Which of these is not a property of carbon dioxide? Again repeated, the which of these is not a property of carbon dioxide supports combustion? Which of the amorphous form of carbon to its the use of the part? The wood charcoal used for the deodorant, animal charcoal, phosphorus compound, lamp black use the black tint, gas carbon use in electrodes, coke use in water gas. Next item, define the following terms. Allotropy. What is allotropy? The property of an element to exist in various physical form in the same physical state with the identical chemical properties but different physical properties is known as allotropics. Okay, fluorines. The crystalline form of the carbon with a large number of carbon atoms. The number of carbon atoms can vary from 30 to 900. Okay, 900. Next word, distactic distillation. This process of the breaking down of organic substance by heating them at high temperatures in the absence of air. Next part, the difference between the amorphous and crystalline form. This form does not have a regular shape and size, but this form has a regular shape and size. Okay, it does not have any fixed melting and boiling point, but it has fixed melting and boiling point. Okay, example, charcoal, black black, coke, coal. But example of crystalline form, diamond, graphite, fluorines. Next item, next question. Write the chemical equation for the reaction of calcium hydroxide with carbon dioxide. Main the part the equation, but the discuss the question. At first, calcium hydroxide CaOH whole 2 calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide from calcium carbonate CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water. Okay, this part is insoluble, is milky part. It is the insoluble in water. But when the calcium carbonate CaCO3 again repeated react with carbon dioxide with water from soluble part calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 whole 2. This is the soluble part. Okay. Now discuss the part of carbon dioxide react with lime water, that is the calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole 2, and turn it milky insoluble suspension calcium carbonate, which form further react with carbon dioxide to form calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. Hence the soluble part, that is the solution, becomes clear. That is the equation again repeated. CaOH whole 2 calcium hydroxide CO2 carbon dioxide form product, the product from CaOH whole 3 calcium carbonate plus water H2O. Again repeated, CaCO3 calcium carbonate, CO2 carbon dioxide, H2O water from the product soluble product in water CaHCO3 calcium bicarbonate. Next part, what is dry ice? Give it use. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. It is obtained by cooling carbon dioxide to minus 78 degrees centigrade. Okay, dry ice is used as the refrigerator to the preservation food item like fruit, vegetables, meat, etc. Write down the use of the gas carbon, diamond, graphite, fluorines, coal, lamp black. Okay, gas carbon. It is used in the manufacture of electrodes. It is used as the carbon rod in arc lamps, etc. Diamond. Diamond are used mainly the jewelry, but their powder is used to polish their diamond and the precious stone. It also used in the drilling of hard rock and cutting the glass. Okay, their use in the manufacture of radiation proof windows of the space satellites and spacecraft, etc. Next part, graphite. Use of graphite. It is use the electrodes in electric furnace and electric cell. That is the related to use for the electric purpose. It is used to make the pencil lead. That is the use for study purpose. It is used to make black paint and the painter's ink, etc. Fluorines. Their use are the lubricant. They are also used as the insulator. They are also used the superconductors and semiconductors. They are used in the process of drug delivery. Okay, coal. It is widely used as the fuel in industries at home. It is used to make coal gas, coal tar, and coke. It is also used to prepare organic compound like benzene, naphthalene, etc. Lamp black. Okay, missing the B, that is the lamp black. It is used in the preparation of black paint, printer ink, black carbon, paper, shoes polish, etc. It is used in the manufacture of tears. It is the use in make the gunpowder and kajal, etc. Write down the write down the composition of water gas and producer gas. That is the composition. Composition of water gas, carbon monoxide, that is CO, and hydrogen H2. Composition of producer gas, that is carbon monoxide CO and nitrogen N2. What is carbon black or short? Lamp black is the carbon black or short. What is the formula, molecular formula of fluorines? The molecular formula of fluorines is C16. Okay,